Hey guys, David from Trade Support Group. We're running our technical analysis weekly and future outlooks. So let's take a look at what we've seen from Ethereum so far this week. As you see here, this is on a daily chart, and since yesterday, the crypto hit around 146, almost 147, and hit a very strong line of resistance, and it has pushed it down to 135 where we are currently. We also got a convergence on this as well with our stochastic here showing an overbought position in a bearish market. We're under the 200-day moving average. So we have a take profit on our trade here, not offering trading advice like this, but hypothetically we're looking at around 120 for our next zone, our support there. And if it breaks through there, we have an even further reading for this, and that would be really low level. We're looking at about $83, $84, $85. So with this strong of a push down, and with all the convergence we're seeing, 120 we're thinking soon, within the next week or two. You never know with the volatility of these cryptos, but overall, it doesn't look good. There have been some fundamental news that wasn't very positive. It's always something with these cryptos, anyhow. But there was an Ethereum rejection at this level. So you want to make sure that you understand that this 145 level, there is a strong resistance there. So even if it tests that again, be aware that that's a very strong zone. If it breaks it, great. We may see a huge rally from Ethereum, and it may cross the 200-day moving average. Okay, so if it breaks through this 145 zone, pushes its way on up, we can see it, can cause a strong rally. Now, keep in mind, again, very strong resistance. If it does not, which we obviously are looking at it not breaking it, then what I say is 120 with possibility of going down to $85. So keep an eye out for this, guys. It's something very important. If you guys want to have live updates with a live coach, find us at Trade Support Group. You can speak with our live coaches for free, get a free consultation. If you want to take advantage of our promotions we're running right now on our packages, do that. And very soon we will have our coaching packages as well on Udemy. So stay tuned for that as well. But subscribe to our channel. We're giving out a lot of free knowledge so you guys can get a better understanding. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Follow us, like us on Twitter, all these fun things. We'll keep you guys posted. Stay tuned, and take care, guys.